Today unboxing is on the Tarmac Works Hyundai i30 and TCR, who is the champion in the World Touring Car Cup in 2018. Big thanks to Tarmac Works for sending this casting to me to review for you. And this awesome casting is now available at the Tarmac Works web store, which you can find the link down below and also in my comment section. It comes in the standard Hobby64 presentation with a matching outer sleeve and also the casting enclosed in the display case. It's almost real to the actual car, shrink down to 1/64 scale. Behind you can see the actual i30 in action, which is great. As always, it comes in a collector card. Wow, it's a very low number of 5. That's great. In my opinion, this Hyundai i30 is one of the best Tarmac Works casting I ever come across. And just look at all the fine quality details on close-up. The livery are all very accurately displayed with a realistic rear light. The alignment of the rear wing is also very accurate. Small details such as the antenna is a plus, and the interior also comes with a roll cage. The front is very impressive, especially on the grille, which makes this casting so realistic. This casting will no doubt look great in diecast photography. And if you are a diecast collector who is very specific on details, this is the right casting for you. Although not smooth, the wheelset does roll. I can see that Tarmac Works really invests a lot of effort onto this casting. This will no doubt look great in any collector's 1/64 diecast collection. And be sure to check out their web store for this awesome casting. This Tarmac Works Porsche RWB 930 is a random giveaway to my subscribers who actively comment, like and share my videos in this channel. I will pick the lucky subscriber in the beginning of 2020. So be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!